kobarang api na nito tuh. Wih, dia merah lagi. Amazing pool. Ini suatu fakta yang cukup misterius. Memang ada kobarang api yang keluar dari dalam tanah tiba-tiba.
It's wonderful. Yummy.
Karena ini ada sesuatu yang saya coba bersembunyi. Lo lihat. Guys, tampaknya ada seekor kelorang yang mencoba berkamuflase masuk ke dalam tanah, teman-teman. Wih, itu. Coba kita gali-gali lagi.
So cute. So cute. Amazing. So beautiful.
Let's go.
Uh-oh.
What is that? I love it. So beautiful. Yummy. So beautiful.
Oh yeah.
So cute. So beautiful.
Let's go.
Uh-oh.
What is that? I love it. So cute. So cute. Yummy. So cute. Wow. It's wonderful. So beautiful.
Let's go.
Uh-oh.
What is that? So beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Aha.
So beautiful.
Oh yeah.
So cute. So beautiful.
Let's go.
Uh-oh.
What is that? I love it. Amazing. So cute.
Oh yeah.
So cute. So beautiful.
Okay, let's go.
Uh-oh.
What is that?